Candid. New trends in English grammar and composition.
Book 6.
Chapter 1. The Sentence. In this new era, let's share some new trends in the English grammar and composition. See these group of words. Won the India World Cup T20 cricket. Now see the change. India won the T20 Cricket World Cup. Which sounds meaningful? Well said. India won the T20 Cricket World Cup. Hence, a group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. Let us see some group of words. Mothers are the blessings of God. How can I please my parents? Take rest. May her soul rest in peace. All these group of words make complete sense. Hence, they are sentences. Kinds of sentences. Every sentence has its own nature and named accordingly. We have 5 kinds of sentences in our English language. These are assertive, that is declarative, interrogative, imperative, optative, and exclamatory. Assertive or declarative sentence. A sentence that makes statement or assertion is called assertive or declarative sentence. For example, India is in Asia. She can never cheat anybody. An assertive sentence can be affirmative, that is positive, or negative. Remember that all assertive sentences end with full stop.